Want to give your brand wings? Sure, you can. Use live streaming to reach out to your target audience, interact with them in real time, and establish long-term relationships with them. Here are 5 ways how you can use live streaming for marketing your brand. First, conduct interviews with industry professionals. This gives you extra visibility and adds credibility to your brand. So, for example, if you run a bookstore, you can invite a best-selling author for a live interview and ask him to speak about his latest book. Number 2, host Q&A sessions with experts. By experts, we mean bloggers, influencers, and celebrities. So, for example, if you run a big cosmetics brand, you can invite a few celebrities and makeup artists to talk about your products and take live questions from the audience. Third, give live product tutorials. Show the audience how your product works and why they need it. So, for example, if you sell electronic gadgets, you can discuss the features and functionality of the latest addition to your product portfolio and promote it live. Number 4, share product unboxing videos. Influencers are famous for doing shopping hauls and then unbox their items for their followers. So, for example, if you run an online mobile store, you can unbox the latest iPhone model and talk about its specifications. Finally, share behind the scenes of your brand processes. This will add the human touch to your brand and add faces to it. So, for example, if you run a cafe, you can share videos of your staff doing the spooky Halloween decorations and the chefs baking the Halloween-themed muffins. Make live streaming an integral part of your brand marketing. Live stream with OneStream Live and witness your business reach new heights. Get started now!